In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove blank values from a chart in Excel. If your chart is showing odd breaks, gaps, or unwanted spacing, it often comes down to how Excel is handling empty or blank cells from your source data. Today, you will adjust the chart settings so Excel displays the chart the way you expect. To begin, open your Excel file and locate the chart you want to fix. Take a moment to click directly on the chart area. When you do this, you should see that the chart becomes selected. You may notice additional tabs and options appear in the ribbon. This selection step matters because the following settings you choose must apply to the specific chart you are working on. Next, once the chart is selected, click the Chart Design tab. You can find this tab in the top ribbon area, usually near other chart-related tools. Chart Design is where Excel groups the options that control how the chart behaves and how it is configured. Make sure you click Chart Design rather than a different tab, so you stay in the right set of chart tools. Now that you are on the Chart Design tab, click Select Data. This is the button that opens the data options for your chart. Selecting data is important because it is where Excel controls which series are used and how the chart interprets cells that are empty or blank. When you click Select Data, a dialog box will typically appear, giving you more detailed choices. In the Select Data dialog box, look for the option called Hidden and Empty Cells. You may need to scroll slightly within the dialog, depending on your screen size. This part is the key to removing blank values from the chart, because it specifically addresses what Excel does when it encounters empty cells in the data range. Click Hidden and Empty Cells to open the related settings. After you do this, you should see choices that let you decide how those blank cells are treated. Excel provides different display behaviors, such as showing blanks as gaps or connecting the data points. Choosing the right option helps remove the visible interruptions caused by blank values. Now, within those options, select gaps. Selecting gaps tells Excel to treat blank cells as missing data, so the chart will show only the real data points and will not insert misleading connections. In many cases, this is what people want when blank values are causing the chart to look inconsistent. Take a moment to confirm that gaps is clearly selected and that you are not still on a different option like a connected line or another display mode. After selecting gaps, click OK. This closes the hidden and empty cells settings and applies the change to your chart. At this point, go back and look at your chart. You should see the chart update automatically based on the way Excel now interprets blank and hidden cells. If your original chart looked like it was breaking in the wrong places, this adjustment typically results in a cleaner and more accurate appearance. Finally, since you have changed the behavior of blank values for that chart, double-check that everything looks correct for your data. Ensure the visual spacing and line or bar behavior match what you intended. If your chart has multiple series, it is still applying the setting to the chart behavior related to empty cells, so the overall structure should look more consistent. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.